Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Okay, speed camera ahead. Mate, where is the job? You just tell me 8 miles. Did I done something wrong? Just park here. Because I was paying attention to the traffic. So I actually couldn't find this company, but now I found it. Because honestly I was looking around and it's this estate, but it's going something else. Because on the paper is a name, and then in the reality it's having a different name. And I forgot something as well. This. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's go. Bagiba. Okay. I don't think I need this actually. Let's see if I can climb here. No, I can't climb. So I just need a lift a little bit further down in order to get inside of the vehicle. Okay, so it's called Project D actually. Unit 1. Where is the guy anyway? Because they don't have ladder, they don't have anything. This folks. I don't know where I have to go. Is the first one or? Let's see. Is here or where? This is supposed to be Unit 1. Only them 4, mate. Everything. Yeah? No problem. Yeah, but yeah, next door. That one.
Outside the shop, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, mate.
Because this is this is furniture, it's different.
This is a different one, mate.
Ah,
Different
yeah,
unit.
no problem.
Alright, pal.
Just,
I don't know if it was food, I'd
yeah,
keep it.
yeah. The fuck is? Which door, mate? Here. I don't know which door. Here? No one here, no one here.
What's there?
There's no one here.
Other side, look.
On the other side.
Yeah, that door.
Yeah. I don't understand, man. Let's see. There's no one here, man. Here. No one here, man. Where to deliver? Which one? This one? Oh, which one to open now? Now I'm locked here. No. There's no one here, man. So Project Donut, Project D. There's no one here, man. I just need the signature, that's all. You see, 4 boxes can take longer than 2 pallets, 3 pallets. That's a fucking... There's no one there, mate.
I don't sign for them.
Yeah?
Yeah, don't sign for them.
Where do you want the boxes?
Yeah,
Here?
leave me with them, mate. I'll sign for it, yeah.
No problem.
You want
So, if you can sign the white one and you keep the yellow.
me- Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oops.
I was looking for this place all over. Couldn't
Yeah.
find it.
It's actually called Project D.
Project D.
Yeah.
Because they say Bagiba here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's that as well, apparently.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's Project D, but that's one there.
Yeah,
alright.
no problem, mate. So you got like 40 bags of East. Anyway, if it's here, should be cold enough
Yeah.
to keep them.
Yeah, leave
so
me,
you
mate.
keep the yellow one.
I'll find them, yeah?
No
yeah,
problem.
no, I'll find them anyway.
Yeah.
I'll bring them to you, alright?
I'll put it there, eh?
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Just. Fucking hell. So delivered. I think the bin man is waiting for me to take them bins, maybe. Anyway, I have to go up. How to go up if I don't have how? No ladder, no nothing. Very hard to work like this. Football. Three points of contact. Not really, but the job is done, and now I just want to go home. Okay, so now all I have to do is just to put the suspension up